Drawing friends, welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw, color, and shade a cute cartoon apple. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Anything will work. I'll be using my sketchbook to draw on, a Sharpie to draw with, and Prismacolor colored pencils to color with. Make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. Before I teach you how to draw an apple, let's do a challenge. You have 5 seconds to press the thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below with your thumb. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you complete the challenge? I hope you did. Now, let's get to drawing. Have your drawing supplies for this art lesson? Make sure you pause the video and go get them. Once you're ready, let's get drawing. First, I need to take the lid off my Sharpie. Now I'm going to make a little dot. This is going to be really important later on. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a curve to the side for the top of your apple. And that's going to come out of this little dot. Then do a curve the exact same on the other side. Good. From your curved line, you're going to curve downwards. So continue the curve down. You're going to do that on the other side too. Right now you should have the top and the sides of your apple finished. Now to complete the bottom. To the left you are going to draw a U. Just a slight U, not too big. You're going to do that on the other side too. Just a little U. Now finally, you're going to do a little curved line to connect them. Now you have the basic shape of your apple. Now to draw the stem and the leaf. Now coming out of this little dot here, you're going to draw a curved line going up. Now this part might be a little hard. You're going to start there and you're going to go with the curve. You're slowly going to get further away. Remember, if I go too fast, you can always pause the video, do the step, then press play. Okay, now I'm going to color that stem in. Good. Now, finally, we're going to draw the leaf. You are going to go right in the middle of your stem and draw a curved line as long as you want your leaf to be. Now underneath that, you're going to curve the opposite way back into the stem. On the top, you're going to curve the same way as your original line. Connect that into your stem. And that's how you draw an apple. Now to draw the face. You can draw your face however you want, but here's how I'll be drawing my face. So, inside our apple, I'm going to draw 2 big circles for the eyes. Inside those circles, I'm going to draw a little circle in the bottom left on both sides. And in the top right, I'm going to draw a little smaller one. circle. Now I'm going to color in the eyes except for the little circles. You can make your eyes smaller or bigger, however you want. I like to make my eyes nice and big to make it look cuter. Okay, now, in between the eyes, I'm going to draw a straight line. Out of that, I'm going to draw a big U shape. He looks very happy right now. Inside that, I'm going to draw another U shape. Now I'm going to color in the top half of that. Okay, that is how you draw an apple and its face. Now for the coloring. Color in your apple however you want. Maybe if you color it red, it could be Macintosh. Maybe if it's green, Granny Smith. And yellow, Golden Delicious. So here's how I'll be coloring in my apple. You can do the same or different. Now, I'm going to be coloring mine red, so I'm going to color everything except for the eyes, tongue, and a leaf in red. I'm going to fast forward my coloring, but you can pause the video and color yours. Okay, coloring time. Okay, for any of those of you who have Prismacolor colored pencils and you want to color it the same color as me, I used crimson red. Okay, so next I'm going to color in the tongue. I'm going to color it in pink, and that is the name of my colored pencil. So I'm going to, once again, fast forward this, but you can always pause the video and color it in. Now I'm going to be coloring in my leaf, apple green. Maybe I should have used this to color in my apple, since it is called apple green. But I'm going to be using it to color in my leaf. Once again, I will be fast forwarding it, but you can pause the video and color it in slowly if you'd like. Now, you can stop here, but here are some optional coloring steps you can do to shade in your apple. For the leaf, I'm going to be taking a darker green or grass green, and I'm going to color in the bottom of the leaf just very lightly. Because the sun is coming from up here, but then that doesn't get any sun, so it looks like it's darker than the rest of it, even though it is the same color. Now I'm going to shade the tongue using a darker pink or mulberry. And I am just going to color the bottom slightly, because once again, the sun doesn't get this spot. And finally, you can take a darker color, whatever color you colored in your apple. If you colored it in red, you can color it in you can shade with a darker red, green, a darker green, and yellow, a darker yellow, or whatever color you used. I'll be using Tuscan red to do my shading. Now, for this, I'm just going to color in the bottom a little bit. Mostly these little U's we did here for the bottom of the apple. I'm just going to do it very lightly because I don't want to color it in. I just want to slightly shade it. There you go. That's how you draw an apple. I'm sure you did great. If you want more videos like this, make sure you press the thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you share this to your family and friends so that they can draw an apple too. If you want to show me your artwork, you can ask your parents or teacher to email me to jossaskidsdraw@gmail.com. If yours doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practice will pay off. If you want to keep drawing, check out my last video, how to draw a puppy. Also, make sure you come back next week for another video. See you guys later. Bye.